I'm going to run you through the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series Outback Armour 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade Kit. Starting at the front, you can either choose from our adjustable or our DSV front shock absorbers, and that'll either be paired with our Trail or Expedition front coil springs. To go with our front kit, we also offer our steering dampener, our front bump stop spacer kit, our coil spring isolators, and our cast correction rubber bushes. You'll also need our ABS spacer kit and also our sway bar spacer kit. To note, if you do have a 4-cylinder variant, you will also require our front brake line spacer kit. As we move to the back of the vehicle and across the table, I'll just scoot over here. We have 3 rear shock absorber options for this vehicle, starting with our digressives or our DSV. This shock absorber features an external bump stop, an external stone shield, and heating grooves. This shock absorber is great for continuous corrugations, off-road, and those fleet vehicle selections. Moving over, we have our adjustables. This shock features 20+ stages of adjustment and is great for those ever-changing loads and changing roads. If you move into our coilover option, so the coilover offers better stability. You can obviously cancel out any of those leans with the adjustable spring seat. It's got dual stone shields, so basically as one shock is run left or right, it has a stone shield no matter what, and it also has heavier valving. And you get the benefits from the adjustable, so you get plenty, 20+ stages of adjustment. It also comes with an additional external stone shield, which will protect the adjuster dial. Moving to our leaf spring options for the 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade Kit, we have our Expedition HD, and our Expedition XHD. So that is our weight ratings. So with our Expedition rear leaf spring, that is a 400 kilo constant rear load spring. The HD is a 600 kilo constant rear load, and the XHD is an 850 kilo constant rear load. So at that stage, you got a pretty heavy 70 series. Also part of the rear kit, we have our greasable shackles, our greasable pins, our bush kit, our handbrake cable bracket, our ABS kit for the rear, and if you have a 79 series dual cab or a 78 series, you will also require our handbrake cable spacer kit. This will automatically be part of the rear kit, but consult with your dealer for any additional information. Another thing to add is if you have a 78 series troop carrier, you will also require extended sway bar link pins. This will also be part of the kit. But again, any additional questions, please consult with your dealer. Another thing to add to the kit is our Outback Armour GVM document pack. So this will come with your Outback Armour tyre placard, which has your re-rated axles on it, and also your owner's manual supplement. So that's the run through on the required components for the 70 series LandCruiser 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade. I'm running out of voice, so I'm going to hand it to Odell and he can run through the optional components.
Thanks, Grant. So we're going to run through the optional extras. The first optional extra is a front chassis bump stop spacer. We've also got a heavy duty front sway bar to stop that vehicle from diving and to give it additional stabilization. Rear skid plate, minimize your chances of getting hung up on those rocks, helps protect those U-bolt threads and gives you additional ground clearance. And we have our Outback Armour stone shields with the clamps, recognizable by the anodized orange. These protect your adjuster and look mint. These do not fit on the rear coilovers, okay? You already get an additional one with that, but these ones won't fit with those. This is the one you get with those.
Thanks Odell for running through those optional extras. That concludes our kit rundown video on the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade Kit. See you in the next kit video.